I just realized that I haven't shown you the new kitty litter. Now, the new kitty litter is great. Remember the old stuff, that clay, that dusty, yucky stuff? No more. Now we use wood pellets. We've been doing that for a while now, but I've never shown you. It is much better. No problem with dust. Here we have a washing machine and a dryer, and there's no problem because this is not a dust problem. So now we are in the laundry room, which is where, for 5 cats, we have 4 litter boxes. Really, you're supposed to have 5, but we have 4. When I go downstairs, I will take my 3 litter boxes downstairs with me for my 3 cats, and that will be ideal. Now, this is not an ideal situation because it is a very cramped room with a laundry tub, a washing machine and a dryer, and pellets and the litter boxes. So it's very tight. So they will be much happier when we are downstairs. Now, of course, they will only have, you're sitting on one of the litter box that they originally had. They have for their cats, because Frankie just kicks litter all over the place. So they have an enclosed litter box. My cats, no big deal. But yeah, so I do the litter box. I do the litter every day because they don't do it frequently enough for my taste. So I'm the one who does it because I like to keep my cats in clean litter. So, show you this. So what you do is, of course, you sift through, and all the poop gets taken out first. By the way, they are at Costco right now. So, and the cats. And at 3 o'clock every day, 3 or 4, I do the litter. Yesterday I did it earlier. Sometimes I do it later. But today I'm on time. And when I do it, I close the door. I don't want a cat coming in and helping me out with this task. No. It's something I do by myself. Litter boxes, and then you could use it. Because I just hate having a cat come in while I'm cleaning. And you, no. So this takes down the smell. It's amazing, and it's much, much cheaper. Hardwood pellets. People burn them in their pizza ovens and whatever, like that. Yeah, that stuff. What happens is when a cat pees on it, it disintegrates and it turns into sawdust. Okay, so right now, I'm just sifting through them for the poop. If I see no more poop, then what I do, let's start with one. Basically, they don't use their own. They don't want to jump up and use that. So these are sifting. So I've changed over to sifting litter boxes. So you have 3. So you have the layer in which the pellets are, sifting through into another one, okay? So the sifting is only in the first one, and then I'll show you. So you do that. And that's only to get the remaining sawdust. Okay, so there now you have You have pellets that are free of any kind of cat pee, okay? These are wood pellets. Okay? I'll show you an absolutely clean one. And then what I do is in here is the sawdust that's sifted through. And that gets thrown out. So now this gets, we have some Mimi, she rescued, she trimmed one of my plants, and that's ended up here in the laundry sink. Okay, so now the dusty pan gets cleaned out. Alrighty. It goes back in there. Where's my, and there we have a fresh litter box, which the cats can use, which they do immediately. No, not really. I add a fresh scoop of pellets, fresh scoop of pellets, yay, to the pan, and there we go, okay, I'm gonna start on the next one. And that's how I do it. Much easier than the dust, than the clay one. It's just wood. Turns into sawdust. Perfect. Ideal. I like it. And not expensive at all.